Doopity doopity doo. Get to rub it in real quick. And I ain't even in my work clothes. Huh? What you know about that? Cylinder number 3, baby. Turn that exposure up for you. Cylinder number 3 literally has a pile of something in it. Let's look at the cable. Where did I put it? I think I was okay. I went to just grab the short. Oh, whoops, let me get that exposure down for you. Oh shit! Did it lock? Did it lock on me? That was weird. Sorry. Okay, that was the cable. That's the cable I'm putting in. So darn it, I'm just pulling these off real fast. You know, it could have been from the last one. Oh my God! I got it. Well, obviously we know it's the coil. I got it. Okay, here's the deal. They were playing around with the mass airflow sensor. Look at that tooth on that one's even fucking bent. Look at the two teeth near the opening. I don't recall seeing that anywhere else. Nope. Those are uniform. This one, however, was jammed on to something that maybe crushed over time or shattered with the spark. So there was something in there the whole time. And it looks like the electricity powdered it up. What do you know about that? I bet you I could clean it up and get it working right, which obviously we're going to do. We're taking both of those Motorcrafts off, and we're gonna just clean them on up after we do the cables here, if I can even get to all of them. But I did 2 the first day and like 1 the next day, and so here we are. No, I just did 2 one day, so I think we're gonna try and get them all in. Just trying to make sure there's no grass in my new ones and no dust. But obviously we have problems. We need all kinds of. I can't even put these back on right now, so I got to take that fucking ignition coil off. And looks like we got quite the project for today. And just for shits and giggles, why does that look like I used? Because that was the first one I put on. Look how dusty it is in here. Jesus Christ. So all these are new on. That's new. That's not even clipped on. Is it? Yeah. That's clipped on nice and tight. It's all got grease on it. That thing, however, needs to come out. So, oops, let me get my exposure on there for you. That, however, needs to be obviously. Oh, I'm going to put a light in there. I think I do see melting. I may see actual. You know, obviously, I'm not an idiot. I'll clean it up just to see what's in there, but I'm not an idiot. I'm not gonna run my truck. I'm not fucking running a truck with that, obviously, even cleaned up. But so cylinder 3, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yep, I got the new one in on 1. I'm about to get the new one back there on 4. Here's my number 3 that just came out. Okay, yeah. Wait. Uh-oh. Did I not show you the number 3? No, that's number 2. So we can bring number 2 out just for the hell of it, because it's on the other coil. I didn't even pull this fucker out yet. Okay. Let's get 3 and 4 back in there. That's got to be number 4, right? Is that not the same kind of coil? Oh, it is. 3. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, cylinder number 3. Then what's this? That says cylinder number 3. Uh-oh. Hold on there, partner. This one came off of this one. That's cylinder 2. Okay. Why is there 3 sets of numbers? for a 4-cylinder. Huh. One of them's for a 4-cylinder, huh? Okay. So they swap it. They swap it. So this would be cylinder 2. Okay, that makes sense. And then this would be cylinder 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this my inverter? No. 1. Okay, so why are you doing this with the fucking battery not unplugged? Oh, Dad, you're gonna kill me for that one. So this was cylinder 3. Does look a little smashy in there. Obviously, now we know why that other one was smashed. There was literally a rock in there or something. Something was lodged in there. Something. Oh, I nailed it, Dad. I nailed it. I just nailed it, Dad. I know what that piece is. I think I know what that is. Ah. The clip that broke off of that. Remember the one I replaced because of that little clip? Right? I went and got a number 1 cylinder cable. I think that clip ended up in there. Yeah, to the side of it. And as it crumbled in, and as it melted and crumbled apart, it ended up filling it ended up getting in there and restricting obviously the connection, the spark. Well, there we go. Now, obviously, that I'm gonna assume just compromised that whole entire fucking. Yeah, I'm not putting a spark plug in there. I mean, I'm not putting a cable back on that. It's melted in there. Here, I'll get you as good as, and we're at the right angle. We're at the perfect angle. Look at that top 11 o'clock corner. There's an indented area. It like literally looks like something that was burning pushed into the side. So that would make sense. If a piece of plastic was on the side of that and starts melting and burning, that it would continue to melt the plastic around this, because obviously nothing's touching when you just have the terminal in there. It just plugs in and you got a good couple millimeter gap. Well, that plastic piece filled that gap. Well, we definitely need a new coil, and it really wasn't. It's funny because I was right, but I was wrong. It wasn't because of why I said, but it definitely was the part. So I don't care how we got to this point, Dad. I just hope you're fucking proud of me with this, because yes, obviously I could have pulled all of those off and looked at, who's going to examine every little crevice, right? Even you never even mentioned doing anything like that. So, this is how people figure things out. I hope one day I hear you say, good job. I do. I hope one day you actually say those words.